Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I have a very interesting case here. Patient who had very little facial hair. It's a procedure in which I specialize, do quite a bit of them, typically around 3 a week. In this case, most of the patients, as in with this gentleman, flew in from out of town. He's here for a touch-up, but basically he had a little bit of sparse hair, a little bit in the mustache, some in the beard, very patchy. He looks really good. He's sort of a mountain man now, but let me show you what he looks like. Let me show you how nice this looks. And you can come in real close, Peggy. You can see all this was transplanted. He had a very thin mustache. He lets it grow out. You can see even when he cuts it short, you see how nicely all this area looks. Real natural, no evidence of any scarring, so he's really happy. You can see that side as well. And you can see all through there. We did some sideburn work as well. So overall, just a really nice result. So that's basically the way we do these procedures. I do take the hairs from the back. Some guys do the FUE technique, but most guys choose to have the strip simply because we can get generally a greater number of grafts that way. Recipient sites are 0.6 and 0.7 millimeters, made at a very strict angle, a very distinct angle, so it grows downward, able to get a really natural looking result. The only area I'm a little cautious about transplanting is the soul patch and the chin mound, especially with guys with thick dark hair. There's a couple of occasional patients, like I've had 3 or 4, that get little bumps there, but for the most part, with guys with, like this gentleman, like most of my other patients with finer hair, it's not a big issue. Hair grows out after around 3-4 months. It starts to grow. It typically takes around 6 to 8 months to reach maximum potential, maybe a little bit longer. Patients do usually, or sometimes I should say, the occasional patient or some patients do want more density, so they come back for additional procedures. In his case, this was done with approximately, probably about 2,800 grafts. And we're going to do a little touch-up, bring up the beard a little bit and wrap it around and fill in just a couple of patches. Anyway, this is Dr. Epstein showing the result of a facial hair transplant procedure. Thank you.